Hi guys, welcome to Share Vision channel. Today I am going to explain about three stocks. Should be Conference Group and Bank of Baroda, IDFC First Bank. So in these two stocks, Bank of Baroda and IDFC Bank, First Bank, shall we buy or not? Check this video entirely, then you can get the ideas about the stocks. Whether we will go to buy side or sell side. So let's watch it till the end. You can get the idea about it. But Confidence Group is giving a good breakout. So we will discussion about these stocks in technical analysis. Let's see. Watch it till the end. Uh, Disclaimer: I am not a SEBI registered person. This video is only for education purpose, not for calls and tips. If anyone want to open the demand account in Upstock, you can use this link. I will be provided in description box, and also you can join with us in our Telegram group. And if you want to see the this new person, any new person, please subscribe and support to me and press the like button if really like this video. Let's go directly to the video now. So first I'm taking a Confidence Petroleum Limited. So this stock almost 3 months, more than 3 months it is in sideways. So as you can see here, you can uh, around 26th May onwards it is started in a traveling in a sideways movement, consolidation. Now it has been giving a some good breakout happen today, so that I'm selected this stock for tomorrow. It will be may go up to 79 rupees. There is no doubt about it, and also you can watch it regularly. The stock at present current market price closed at 71.60, so definitely tomorrow it will touch 80 rupees. So you can utilize this opportunity, don't miss it out. Next stock we'll discuss about Bank of Baroda. So Bank of Baroda so far fall down situation. It's started from it's see here uh, June, yes, May 21st, May 24th onwards it has been fall. So it is consolidation mode now. It is a great support. Now it is a good support for, see, one two three times, four times it has been touched and created a support. Is a So this support is a very strong support. Now we have to consider, and now it may chance to and take a reversal from here. So it will go up to touch 86 rupees, and further breakout may chance to 88 rupees or 90 rupees it will go. So if suppose it may chance to break down happen in tomorrow, may it will go up to 69 rupees. So you have to wait and watch it uh, after this breakdown or breakout, breakdown or take a reversal. So this kind of reversal may chance to happen, or it may chance to breakdown. So we have to keep on monitor and watch it whether we will go for this buy or sell. Next stock is IDFC First Bank. So IDFC First Bank, post June onwards it uh, it makes some traveling in a uh, falling wedge pattern. So this stock this place is a most important support. So previous low is this support, so that I'm selected this area. So may chance to fall happen in here. It will break down, will happen tomorrow. May chance to come down up to 33 rupees. So if not happen fall down, it may chance to go upward direction. It will take a reversal from here. It will touch first target 48 rupees, but you don't buy tomorrow. If reaches above this point 47 rupees, after that you can buy, otherwise don't buy. This is a sell stock as of now, but it can buy at dip level. This is a good opportunity for us for buy at a dip is IDFC Bank is good for us now. It may reach up to 62 rupees in future. So as of now, you have to wait for buying opportunity, and it may chance to breakdown happen tomorrow. It will go up to 33 rupees. So you have to wait and watch it continuously. Tomorrow may get your idea about these stocks after breakdown or take a reversal. So you keep on watch it and monitor the stock. You can get a good idea. So I hope this video is useful for you and enjoying it. Thanks for watching. Keep on watch it. Our channel will regular update will be uploaded in every day. Thank you guys.